How do you know when it's time to go from being your solo team member to adding somebody else? And if you're an entrepreneur, that's a really big deal when because you're letting go a little bit of control. And so how do you know that there's a good time to do that? My name is Heather Roberts.
I'm Josh.
And we are the co-founders of RSG Sales, and we help home decor and furniture companies grow their e-commerce sales business and those teams associated with that business. So I actually can remember this and relate to this on a very personal level, because I used to own a decorative throw pillow company, and I was the one-man band at my kitchen table. And I distinctly remember the first time that I felt like I was going to drown and needed to hire someone to help. And so that's what's kind of the thought process behind putting this little list together, right? And
Exactly.
I think there's basically three main functions or three main areas that you need to identify. And when you're in trouble in any of these three areas, then it's time to hire.
Time to expand. Yep.
So Josh, what's that first one?
Well, you got to be able to process your orders and invoice, upload inventory, the basics.
Right. So if you can't ship your orders on time and you're not being able to keep up with, creating invoices, reconciling invoices, any of those kinds of things, then that's a surefire sign that you need some support. The second thing is maybe you have new products, but you haven't uploaded them to all of the internet partners that you work with. A lot of times people are like, okay, I'm just going to do one, right? Maybe they just do Wayfair, but they didn't do them for Overstock, and they didn't do it, for Home Depot or whatever the case may be. So what you need to do is make sure you add your products everywhere, because otherwise you're wasting money.
Yeah, that happens a lot with people that are overwhelmed. And then on top of not being able to upload everywhere, the information's not organized in the spreadsheet with, the different fields that you have to fill out. So not even step one.
So if you can't get your information organized and you can't get your new products uploaded, it's time to take a good hard look and, get some help. And the last thing is that old adage of, are you working in your business or are you working on your business? And as the business owner and the founder, it's your responsibility to be setting that vision and driving the ship forward. And if you're too busy in the warehouse shipping out the orders, how can you be driving that ship forward? So it's really important that you focus on the things that actually generate revenue. And that's going to be, from a sales planning and promotions, that's going to be managing inventory and planning for that. New product development, all of those kinds of things. If you would click the button below, and we can schedule a call. We actually have a great program that helps people address these very issues. So it's our Spark Mastermind. Right. And if you're struggling in one of these areas, just click the button below and we'll schedule a quick little call and help you out. All right. Bye guys. Thanks a bunch.